Right, match is running. Score 3-5. Gumas 3 points. Naranpur 5 points. Match is running. Service goes to Gumas. Players are playing well. Two team players. Think effective players. Yes, senior players. Yes, match is running. Right. Score 3-5 score. Yes, this is. This is Daba volleyball from Parlo Academy grounds. Out ball. Service goes to Naranpur player Sanjay. Sanjay stop bro. Yes, score 5-3. Score 5-3. Naranpur point 5, Gumas 3. Match is running. What a match this afternoon. This is first match. Naranpur versus Gumas match. Gumas and Naranpur players playing well. What a cutters. Yes, 5-3 scores. Match is running. Yes, what a match. What a shot by Gumas player. This is Daba volleyball from Parlo Academy grounds. Yes. Match is running. Players, Naranpur players and Gumas players playing as well. Yes, what a dive by Naranpur player. Yes, match is running. This is good game, I think. 5-3 score. Naranpur score 5 and Gumas 3. What a game. Yes, match is running. Two teams, 12 players. Who is the impact player? I asked one question. Who is impact player? Please tell me and comment me. Yes. Score 5-3. Naranpur versus Gumas. Suresh versus Chitos match. Yes. Weather is good. Match is very cool. Score 5-3. The Naranpur score 5. Gumas 3. Think this is the incredible game. Please watch this match. The Manu Volleyball YouTube channel. Yes, subscribe and comment and share. What a take. Service goes to right Sanjay. Naranpur players 6-3 score. Score Naranpur score 3 and Gumas score 3. 6-3. What a match. What a match. Gumas versus Naranpur. Naranpur captain Suresh and Gumas Chitos. Chito versus Suresh. Match is running. This is afternoon match. Parlo Academy grounds, home grounds. Yes. What a playing players. What a shot, but right, Cody change. Service goes to Gumas. Score 6-3. Naranpur score 6 and Gumas 3. Service goes to Gumas. Match is running. Cody change. What a match this afternoon. Gumas versus Naranpur match. This is first match running. Score 3-6. Gumas 3 and Naranpur 6 points. Match is running. This is home ground from Parlo Academy. Yes, match is running. Good playing players. Yes. Match is running. Players are playing as well. Two team players. Narayanpur players and Gumas players. Big players, I think. Yes. What a match. This is afternoon match. Narayanpur versus Guma. Narayanpur captain Suresh and Gumas captain Chito. Chito versus Suresh. This is fire. Yes, this is good war. Good game. Point 6-3. Narayanpur score 6 and Gumas 3. Matches continue. Alright, service goes to Narayanpur 6-3 score. Score 6-3. 7-3. Service goes to captain Narayanpur captain Suresh. Score 7-3. What a match. Yes. Narayanpur player Banu. I think he's senior player, big player. And Gumas player Chito is senior player, good player. Match is running. First match, afternoon match. Gumas versus Narayanpur. Score 7-3. Match is running. Yes. Game is very cool, but weather is very hot. Yes, match is running. Score 7-3. Narayanpur versus Gumas. Match is running. Yes, players are playing well. Yes, this is Banu shot, but Gumas players taken the ball. Yes. Match is running. Score 7-3. Narayanpur score 7. Gumas 3. Yes, this is taken by Mohan. Match is running. Yes, this is Dawa volleyball from Parlok MD grounds. Narayanpur versus Gumas match. Score 7-3. Service goes to Narayanpur. Oh. Service goes to Narayanpur captain Suresh. 8-3 score. Score 8-3. Narayanpur score 8. And Gumas 3. Yes. Match is running. What a game this afternoon. Yes, this is Dama volleyball from Parlok MD grounds. Yes, what a shot by Ban Chulbul. Match is running. I asked one question. Gumas players and Narayanpur players. Yes, game is running. Score 8-3. Players, two team players, good players. But who is win? Score 3-8. Service goes to Gumas. Gumas 3. And Narayanpur 8 score. Match is running. Who is win? Who is loss? Please watch the match. What a match. This is afternoon match. Gumas versus Narayanpur match. Home ground Parlok MD. What a taken by Sanjay Sabro. Yes, match is running. Yes. Right, service goes to Gumas. Score 4-8. Score 4-8. Gumas score 4. Narayanpur score 8. Match is running. Afternoon match. What a match. What a players. Two team players. Narayanpur versus Guma. I think this is big game. But who is won, who is lost? Please watch this match. Manu Volleyball YouTube channel. Please watch and subscribe and share. Yes. Score 4-8. What a taken by Chito. Yes. Match is running. Score 4-8. Gumas 4 and Naranpur score 8. Match is running. What a placement by Banu. Yes, this is Daba Volleyball from Parlok MD Grounds. Match, afternoon match, first match. Guma versus Naranpur. Who is won, who is lost? Watch this match. Score 4-8. Yes, players are playing very cool. What a taken by Nectar. Match running. Yes. Good game, good players. What a players playing as well. What a shot by Banu. Yes, Guma's players are taken well. Shots, takens, cutters. What a match, what a match. Score 4-8. Yes, this is Daba Volleyball from Parlok MD Grounds. Match Naranpur versus Guma. Score 8-4. Naranpur score 8 and Guma score 4. Match is running. Service goes to Gumas. Yes. What a game यार. एक खतरनाक गेम है. Yes, match is running very cool.